Got Larry and our new friend Steve from the group. Yeah. And you know me. We're hunting a frisbee golf course with loud planes in the air. I'm trying to get this loud. It's so loud you can't even hear yourself think. Finally get to use my finds box for the nice murk that I found. Check it out. All foamed up. We're not going to put it on that side though. We're going to put it on this side. The clean one is Steve's good luck token he keeps in his pocket all the time. This one he just dug. That's the mercury dime I just dug. Nice Boy Scout tie thing Steve-O found. Yeah, boy. He said, "Hey Jim." That means Jim walks over there. There he comes. What is that? Another one, bro? Mm-hmm. Two of them. Two Boy Scout brooch things. Big shout out to St. George's Episcopal Church, giving us our first permission, letting her hunt the ground. Larry, Steve over there. Old church, built in 1799. We didn't do the graveyard all there. They gave us permission. That was pretty cool, but we respect it. So, signing out.